Right, now we're going to walk through a short CFD example, a fully worked one where we hold the position overnight, just again to show you the functionality of how it all works, especially with the short sell being slightly different to a long trade. In this case, we're going to go short Rio. The price we're going to go short at is £47. Now under quantity, or some platforms display it obviously as volume, we're going to go short at 100. Now in brackets on the left I've got in the minus 100. This is because most CFD platforms will show you your volume as a negative if you are short, because then to close out the position you're buying it back. So if you look at the workings of a short position, to initiate a short position you are selling and then you are buying back at hopefully at a cheaper price. Okay, so that's why it normally displays a negative 100. Now, commissions paid, we haven't breached the £10,000 threshold for 0.1%, so it's going to be our £10 minimum. No VAT included there. Total exposure, £4,700, but our initial outlay is only actually going to be £235 because it's only 5% margin. So the full initial outlay is 245 quid, inclusive of our £10 commission. Now, as we predicted, we were right. Rio has dropped overnight. So the next morning, we wake up, Rio's opened up and it's trading at £47, down £1 on the day before. We need to buy back, as you can see, so quantity bought. We want to buy back 100 to take us back to zero. Okay, so we're buying it cheaper. As you can see, the full value of the position has dropped 100 quid, which will be our profit because we've sold it at a higher price and bought it back cheaper. Again, we haven't breached the threshold though of £10,000, so it's going to be a £10 minimum for commissions there. No VAT again. Our financing is going to be paid to us rather than us pay to the provider. When you're short, there's no cost of carry. In fact, in most markets, you will receive money. I've taken a financing paid of 0.5% based on LIBOR being 2.5 minus our margin of 2. We only do receive 6p in interest, which isn't heaps, but again, it's better than paying interest. So total outlay is 254 and 94p. Our gross profit's going to be the £100, and net profit is obviously minus our commissions, £100 minus our commissions, plus our financing we received with 6p. So £80 and 6p profit isn't bad considering our margin for this whole transaction was really only £235. So a return on investment, which is the key factor here, is actually 31% overnight. We all know Rio can drop a pound overnight. That's not an issue at all. So just really emphasising the benefits of leverage and again, how much you can profit from a falling market rather than just a rising market.